Asus Zenbook 14 UX3402ZA, a stylish performer. Introducing the Asus Zenbook 14 UX3402ZA, a laptop designed for a sublime on-the-go experience. The Asus Zenbook 14 UX3402ZA is a sleek and powerful laptop that effortlessly blends style with substance. Its 14-inch OLED display is a visual masterpiece, delivering stunning colors, deep blacks, and exceptional contrast. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or simply browsing the web, the visuals are truly immersive. This sleek device features a 14-inch 2.8K 400 nits display, perfect for vibrant and detailed visuals. Powered by an Intel i5-1240p 12-core processor, it ensures smooth and efficient performance. Battery life is decent, allowing you to get through a full workday without needing to recharge. However, heavy workloads or demanding tasks might drain the battery faster. With 8GB of RAM and a 512GB PCIe SSD, multitasking and storage are a breeze. The backlit keyboard enhances usability in low-light conditions, making it ideal for any environment. Running on Windows 11, it offers the latest features and a user-friendly interface. Wi-Fi 6E and ASUS Wi-Fi Master Premium technology ensure fast and stable internet connections. All of this is packed into a compact, slim, and lightweight all-aluminum chassis for ultimate portability. The Asus Zenbook 14 UX3402ZA is a well-rounded laptop that excels in style, performance, and portability. Its OLED display is a standout feature, offering breathtaking visuals. While it's not built for gaming, it handles everyday tasks and light content creation effortlessly. The innovative NumberPad 2.0 touchpad is a practical addition, enhancing productivity. If you're looking for a sleek and efficient laptop for work, school, or entertainment, the Zenbook 14 is definitely worth considering. Rated 4.1 stars. Order today for £449.1.